Popular dancehall recording artist The Angel is making a special plea after she accidentally left her suitcase at the Norman Mandel International Airport. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Entertainment Update, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
For some stuff now for the party today. Me wanna know sir, the suitcase in our house. But the earthfulest thing about it, they don't have a camera in the parking lot. Norman Mandel International Airport parking lot don't have a camera.
And she provided a video of how the suitcase got left at the airport and also some contents that was inside the suitcase. So let's go over to that video now.
For some stuff now for the party today. Me wanna know sir, the suitcase in our house. But the earthfulest thing about it, they don't have a camera in the parking lot. Norman Mandel International Airport parking lot don't have a camera. Anything worse that could have happened, I'm going to say no camera. No man, don't even fix this man. We don't need to have a camera right now and retract my suitcase in the airport. On the right hand side, right eye tree there, so, and there's somebody sit down. So any security in the parking lot right now, Norman Mandel International Airport or surveillance camera, whatever, we don't need to check it and see who took up the suitcase. Because I'm not going to point no finger. We don't know if who take it. But it don't work and somebody have it. So if you don't know somebody will have a suitcase, tell them say my suitcase. And please just drop it off somewhere or wherever or whatever. Me pay on the feet. Me pay on for the suitcase, please. Me just want me stuff them in the suitcase. Me want me close them for the party. Me want me close them for my child birthday party. Me want me close them. The look at things I know I couldn't close them in the suitcase. I'm so happy it's not his stuff. Me have ass, like I said, me have jewelry, me have bag, me have slippers, me have this, me have that. But just the clothes for the party and the boat, but I really want them back. So if you don't know of anybody who take up a suitcase or anywhere suitcase in the airport, if you can find it in the airport, Norman Mandel International Airport. So on Silver Pulley, sorry, Jessica Simpson, but I'm really glad here. I'm going to show out now because I have a lot of things to do for my coding party. Whole heap of eyes have a cross, whole heap of teas after that, that's all. So I'm going to push out again. So that's it there, you know. So I'm going to go in now. I feel away, I feel hurt. But life goes on, it could have worse. But I just look a simple thing. I don't know, I go to the airport, I try my best, them try to assist me. But I camera we are talking about, they need to have a surveillance, pull up the camera and see where I'm going out there. You're going to tell me so the camera in the parking lot, the camera in that make no sense. And I want my suitcase, please. I want my suitcase. Anybody will have my suitcase or anybody want to think, maybe I watch this live but nobody suitcase, send me a DM and let me know where I'm going here. I'm going now. I don't have nothing for wear. I have to go look for clothes now. Because imagine how I feel. I'm prepared for my son's party, you know, man. I prepare feet, you know. I'm me one with him, you know. I'm me alone with him. I'm prepare feet. And everything. And I this me get. Well, my God, I never feel him clothes. So, I take time to go on. Because I have a little thing to take care of here. So, thank you very much. And see if you can help me find the suitcase. I left it at the airport parking lot, Norman Mandel International airport from Silver Pulan and he mark Jessica Simpson. And Silver Pulan mark Jessica Simpson. Alright, big up on yourself. Them send a camera in our parking lot. So any so it could have worse for you mean a camera in our parking lot. That makes sense. Me not accept it. You turn on the camera and retract. After one them time there. Turn on the camera and retract cause somebody take you up. Somebody take you up. So right now we are looking for that silver suitcase there. We are looking for the angel silver suitcase. About Jessica Simpson. We're looking for it and the content them in the suitcase. We want back the suitcase. Alright, I thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. You know, help me look for the suitcase, please. Send me a DM if you don't know or anything, any little idea, any little leads to our suitcase, send me a DM because I really want it, would I love to get it in time to Marcodine party. See, my party I going to start a couple hours from now. Alright, blessings. Bye.
So after the angel made the post on her social media account, a number of individuals started to bash her, stating that she was actually careless in order to just left the suitcase there like that. And despite that, you have some people that is still in support of what actually transpired. And many people are just hoping as well that she will actually get back the suitcase. But all I can say that mistakes do happen, and I just hope that she actually get back the suitcase based on the fact that it was left unattended in the parking lot at the Norman Manley International Airport. So it's still unclear who took the suitcase up, as the CCTV in the airport did not actually depict who did the whole entire situation. And if one of those things that we have looked on over and over again, some of the time you get extremely tired and you get so drawn away based on the fact that you have been might be at a location for a particular time, and this could have happened to anyone. So I'm not casting the blame on the angel right now because you don't know where she has been and what she has been going through the time that she was waiting there for. And then most of the time you just get so complacent and just settled in what you were doing that you just totally forget about things at times. However, this special plea is being made by Angel in order to anyone out there who have seen the suitcase and can assist in recovering it, because she stated that she had some really important things in it for a birthday party today, and now that can't be found. So we're just hoping that she does retrieve that suitcase and all the contents that were in that suitcase as well. She gave a brief description of the suitcase, that it was a silver suitcase and it was left in the parking lot of the Norman Manley International Airport. So anyone out there who have seen the suitcase, she stated that her name is written on it, Michelle Downer, and you can just leave it anywhere and just make contact with her. She have her social media platform as well, which you can use to make contact with her, and other medium as well are out there where you can contact the angel. So this is a special plea from the angel in order to retrieve back her suitcase. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Entertainment Update. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV team.